Hello guys, alam mo, marunong na ako mag-guitar ngayon. Alam mo, tuturuan ko kayo kung ayaw nyo tinatamad yung mag-toothbrush, huwag kayo mag-toothbrush ng mga 1 month. Tapos ganito lang guys ang technique o paglinis. How can you clean your teeth without brushing your teeth? It's like this guys So, ganun lang guys, tapos ganito Ganun. Ayun guys, di ba ang dali-dali? Tapos guys, affordable. Tapos hindi mo na kailangan, you don't need to buy toothpaste and toothbrush kasi it's expensive to, especially here. Alam mo naman dito, nag-iingat ako. Pero sa ngayon guys, pag pumunta ako ng supermarket, alam mo kung anong hinahanap ko, yung may poison. Kasi I need to help them how to kill me. Yun guys, ang pinaka-project ko ngayong week na to. Ayun lang guys, earthquake, ta-na-na-na, oh my earthquake. Marunong na ako guys, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. How are you? Bye, love you.